If you have issues with the Bluetooth device not connecting properly on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then let me show you what you can do to try to fix this. So first of all, I'm gonna start from the home screen. What we can do is you can go to settings, then over here in settings go to connected devices. Over here we're gonna choose connection preferences and you want to go to Bluetooth. You want to turn off Bluetooth and turn off your Bluetooth device. Turn Bluetooth back on and turn your Bluetooth device back on as well. And then you can try to, for example, pair the device if you didn't pair it yet, or you can just go back to connected devices and you can try to connect to that device again. If that doesn't help, what you can also do is you can just completely erase the device. In my case, there is actually problem connecting. It says to turn device off and back on, so of course you can follow that instruction. And in this case, it actually reconnected properly without it, so I guess I'm lucky. But still, if you need to, then of course you can do so as followed, as the instructions tell you. But what you can also do, if that doesn't work, is you can completely forget the device. You can just remove it from your phone. There we go. Then you can turn off your Bluetooth device, then turn it back on and go to pair a new device, and then use the pairing button if you have it on your Bluetooth device. If not, then make sure that it is not connected to anything else. And then you should be able to select your Bluetooth device from this list of available devices if you manage to find it, and you should be able to pair it again. And there we go. Besides that, of course, if you don't have the pairing mode, and if you cannot really remove or disconnect your Bluetooth device from that other device for some reason, you can also perform a factory reset. In fact, if nothing helped so far, you can just perform factory reset or hard reset of your Bluetooth device. Now, unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device because every Bluetooth device has its own way of factory resetting, so you will have to find a manual or a different tutorial on how to actually factory reset your Bluetooth device. But once you do that, of course, you want to try to pair your Bluetooth device again, and hopefully this time it does work. Other than that, what you can also do is you can go back to settings, then over here we can scroll down to find system settings. In the system settings, go to reset options, and then you can use reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, you cannot separate these two things, so if you reset Bluetooth settings, you will also reset Wi-Fi settings, and this means that you will have to pair all your Bluetooth devices again on this phone, and you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi networks again because they are going to be erased. If you decide to reset these settings, then of course you will have to go back to network and internet, to connected devices, of course, and in here you will have to try to pair your Bluetooth device one more time, and hopefully this time it is going to work. And remember that sometimes even a simple restart of the device, like a reboot of the phone, can be quite helpful. So you can just reboot your phone to see if that helps as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.